Hi, I'm Evan Aidman, and I'm going to talk to you today about Delaware County personal injury practice. In my last video, I talked about Montgomery County, and they are counties that are contiguous. They touch each other, and sometimes you end up in Delaware, and sometimes you end up in Montgomery County, depending upon where the accident took place. I handle claims from both counties and the entire Philadelphia area. My office is in Montgomery County, on 822 Montgomery, across on the Acme. There's plenty of free parking. So sometimes you have a choice between Delaware County and Montgomery County. It doesn't really make a huge difference. Some lawyers will tell you they'd rather be in Montgomery County. Some will say Delaware County, but everyone will agree you'd rather be in Philadelphia County than either of them, because mainly juries give higher verdicts in Philadelphia County than they do in the suburban counties, so you'd rather be there. But if you do find yourself in Delaware County, it's really a much more of a small town feel. Media is obviously a much smaller place than Center City, Philadelphia. And so you're going to deal with judges who know the media lawyers better than they know the Philadelphia lawyers. And sometimes that can lead to surprising results. You never know who's got a relationship that's going to affect a result. And, that may be a little cynical to say, but it's true. I mean, there are times when you just you scratch your head and you say, how did the judge rule that way? It's not possible. And sometimes you wonder if maybe there was a political connection that affected how the judge ruled. And, it's a very political thing. Judges are very often political appointees, strangely enough. And what you find is that when judges are running, they ask lawyers for contributions to their campaign. I know it sounds crazy, but that is the way it's done. So can you imagine if you go in front of a judge and your opponent's given the judge $1,000 for his or her campaign and you haven't done anything? You start off in the hole, and hopefully we'll find that the judges have integrity and will rule on a neutral basis as they're supposed to. But and you're going to see that in Philadelphia too. I mean, the judges, they run in all the counties, but media and other suburban counties are more provincial than Philadelphia, and so having contacts that are local is especially important when you're dealing with smaller jurisdictions. So any questions, give me a call at 610-642-7676.